play with it. That's how you play with it. That's how you play with it. You open and close it, it makes a funny noise. And that's how you play with it. That's how you play with it.
No. I have a new toy. How do I play with it? How do I play with it? How do I play with it?
You have a new toy. Here's how you play with it. Here's how you play with it. Here's how you play with it. It's a toy holder. Fill up your toys, and that's how you play with it. That's how you play with it.
Maybe not. I have a new toy. How do I play with it? How do I play with it? How do I play with it? You have a new toy. Here's how you play with it. Here's how you play with it. Here's how you play with it. You run around it, clapping your hands, and that's how you play with it. That's how you play with it. Oh, whoop! Mom, my tummy feels funny. What do I do?
Come with me, darling. Don't worry. See, you have a new toy. That's how you sit on it. Pull down your pants, and that's how you sit on it. Now you're a big boy. That's why you sit on it. It's a potty seat, and that's how you sit on it. When you feel funny in your tummy, you sit on your potty seat and call Mommy. Good job, Johnny.
Yeah, you're a big boy now.
Wash your hands, and now you're done with it. Your potty seat's your toy. Big boy, sit on it.
I have a new toy. I know how to sit on it. I am a big boy. I will now sit on it. I have a new toy. I know how to sit on it. I know how to sit on it. I know how to sit on it.
Yay! Good job! This is the way we make our bed.
Make our bed, make our bed.
This is the way we make our bed
So early in the morning.
This is the way we wash our face.
Wash our face, wash our face.
This is the way we wash our face
So early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth. Brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth So early in the morning.
This
Oh, I will brush my teeth. I will brush my teeth twice a day. Then my friends will come to play.
Oh, baby, oh, go take a bath. Oh, baby, oh, go take a bath.
No, Mommy, no, I don't like to take a bath. No, Mommy, no, I don't like to take a bath. Do you want to go for a walk? Oh, I will take a bath. I will take a bath, quick and fast. Then Bingo will come for a walk.
Oh, baby, oh, clean your room. Oh, baby, oh, go clean your room.
No, Mommy, no, I don't like to clean my room. No, Mommy, no, I don't like to clean my room. Do you want to play games in my room? Ew, no thanks. Oh, I will clean my room. I will clean my room every day. Then Ava will come to play.
What a good boy Johnny is!
Yay! One, two, three, let's start. Swimming is the sport for smart. I will win this race. Let us see if you can chase. Why do you think so? Because I love to swim so. This day's a perfect day to swim and race with my friends Jay. One, two, three, let's start. Swimming is the sport for smart. I will win this race. Let us see if you can chase. Why do you think so? Because I love to swim so. This day's a perfect day to swim and race with my friend Ray. One, two, three, let's start. Swimming is the sport for smart. Let's do it one more time. I know I will win this time. Because I love to swim so. This day's a perfect day. I will win this time, I pray. Well done, you little boy. You knew it and you did it right. This time you won the race. I can see the joy on your face.